Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on telling the time. In the previous video we introduced the concept of time. With respect to telling the time, we only saw pictures of an analog clock. The following pictures show both the analog and digital clock. The first picture shows an analog clock. It is a mechanical clock because it has moving parts and they are powered by a battery or by winding up a small spring inside the watch. The second picture shows the digital clock. It is electronic and is powered by a battery. The difference is obvious. Each clock has the function of telling us the time at any given point of the day. Each time shows 4 o'clock. This can also be written as a 4 with a colon and 2 zeros. That's the digital way of writing it. The above two times are on the hour. Whenever you say o'clock, that means on the hour. On the next slide we will see two clocks showing a different time. Now here are two clocks. Each of them show the same time. That's 3:30, which is different from the hour. It's different from on the hour. This one here is the second hand. This is called the hour hand, and that's called the minute hand. And here's your digital clock. The two times on the left can be written and said in different ways. You can say them as 3:30, 3:30 using numbers, 3:30 using words, or 30 minutes past 3. To the hour and past the hour. Times can be written to the hour or past the hour. The pictures on the next slide will illustrate. This picture shows both the analog and digital clock. Both times show 10:15 or 10:15. These times are known as past the hour. So that time there and this time here are the same. Analog clock, digital clock, past the hour. Both of the above clocks, that's this one and this one, show 3:45 or 3:45. These are the two most popular ways of saying this time. These times are known as to the hour, because the minute hand is progressing towards the hour. AM and PM. The time shown on each clock is 12 o'clock. This can either be midday or midnight. AM or PM, used after the time, tell us which part of the day we are talking about. AM. These two letters have a Latin meaning and they stand for ante-meridiem. Literally, it means before midday. PM. These two letters have a Latin meaning and they stand for post-meridiem. Literally, it means after midday. More specifically, AM is between midnight and midday. PM is between midday and midnight.